Hi friends, hi Simple Beauty with Lori friends. I'm back for another eyeshadow tutorial. Can you tell? This is my pre-fall one that I used orange and purple, which sounds crazy, but I love it with this coral glossy look. So let's just get started. This eye obviously is done. What do you think? Now we're gonna do this eye. So I'm gonna go into 3 of my eyeshadow palettes because I've got them customized for 6 colors. But some of the bright colors are in different ones. I'm going in with this color first. It's my favorite creamy all over like base. So I get a large shadow brush right there and I put that cream bow all over it. I'm going to dab it right on the brow and the inner eye corner first. And then I just stipple it all over the whole eyelid like that. Voila, super easy. It matches my fair skin color. Then I'm going to go into another fun, bright eyeshadow palette. I love these colors. I use them a lot. I'm going in with the orange color right there. It's called Centerfold. I'm going to take a fluffy, pointy brush, go right into that palette, tap it off, and look at the colors. So pretty. I'm going to start by raising my brows. I have hooded eyes, so I'm going to raise my brow and go right out the outer half of my eye transition area, kind of stippling that color, the darkest color I want on the outside, and then I'm going to blend it over a little. So I keep the deeper tone on the outside of my eye, and that's going to kind of help to give me a lift. Now I relax my eye a little bit, and I'm going to go under the arch and go towards the inner eye area as well. Blending, blending, and blending. Look how pretty that is. So it looks like such a bright, dark color, and it is, but when you blend it out, it's just so nice and easy. So I love wearing this color. I never thought I would wear it. Love it. All right, matches my shirt and everything, right? So there's that. Now I'm going to be bold. Are you ready? I'm gonna go in another eyeshadow palette that has some more jewel tone, but it's got actually my fall kind of color. I'm going to this shadow. This is a foil, so it is a shimmer, and it looks powder, but when you press it on and then rub it, look at the color payoff. It's got that purple with a kind of a coral and orange. Don't you see that in there? I love it so much. I call it magical. I'm going to take my large shadow brush that I used in Cream Boat. I'm going to use a color switch, which is a sponge, and I'm going to just clean the color off, and I'm going to go into that purple. I think it's called Yas Queen, but I have numbers if you want to know. I'm going to tap it off. Guess what I'm going to do with it? I'm going to press it on the whole lower lid. It doesn't really pay the color off until you start blending. So you tap it on, and then you're going to kind of windshield wiper and blend and polish your eye with this brush, and it kind of blends that color out, and look at that beautiful shimmer. I love it so much. Purple with some orange in it. And once I get that all over the lid like I like, I take a small pointier brush, it's angled, go right back into that same purple, tap it off, go right in the crease. We're gonna give my eye a lift. So you're gonna go right in the crease, but I'm gonna pull it up on the outer side. So I'm relaxing my eye, hope you can see that. And I'm gonna pull it up, kind of making a triangle like this. This is how I do most of my eye looks, choosing a darker color for the crease and lift area. That just kind of places that purple there and blends it out. And it goes so pretty with that bright orange. Now you could use a coral for the transition to blend this with, a dark rusty orange. I did this look with the rusty orange one time, really pretty, but for today I just really wanted this orange sherbet kind of eyeshadow to go with it. So there's that, and then whatever's left on this brush, I'm gonna kind of sweep it underneath my lower lash line to make a smoky, smudgy eye with that shimmer. Brings my green eyes out too, doesn't it? Look at that, isn't that fun? Now let's clean up a little bit. I'm going to grab that large shadow brush. Now that's it. I mean, isn't that easy? So easy. Clean the shadow brush off again with the color switch. go back to that very first color, wherever it is, all my multiple eyeshadow palettes, go grab that cream color again, kind of clean up the inner corner and the arch of the brow and over. That's gonna kind of clean up that orange, even underneath this part of the brow. And then you wanna clean up on the edge. You don't want your eyeshadow to fall down or you're gonna droop. So I kind of clean up, but I do have a smoky look underneath my lash line, so I don't wanna rub that off. So that's how I clean it up, and then I take a fluffy brush and kind of go over that gently. Don't want to muddy the colors, but just soften that cream color with the orange. And that's the color, the eye look. I can't talk. I'm so excited. Now for my double-ended waterproof gel eyeliner that I have on this side. And I love it so much that I might need a new one, but there's the color. It is a beautiful plum matte waterproof eyeliner. The other end, it's dual-ended. Can you see? Is this beautiful gold shimmer? I kind of shy from shimmers a little because I have crepiness because I'm 49. But I love using it in the corner, and you can actually use it on your lid as an eyeshadow color. I've not tried that yet. I should try it. Now I'm going to get up and close and personal and going to put this purple liner on. I start on the outer corner because I want it thicker over here. That way if I mess up, and I'm going to kind of follow the lower lash line and go up towards my brow. And it looks a little exaggerated and long right now. We'll clean it up in a minute. But that's kind of where I want to start it because I have hooded eyes and it kind of falls down and gets kind of swallowed up. So I thicken it quite a bit. Look how pretty this purple liner is with this eyeshadow. Now brown eyeshadow would be pretty, or black as well, but I love this one. Just go all the way across the whole lid. See how I can be kind of messy with it? It's just so forgiving. Yes, it's waterproof, but it's smudgeable for the first 15 seconds. And so if I make a bump or whatever, I can use a little tiny brush and just smudge it out. But I do like it thicker on the outer half of my eye towards the corner, okay? And then I'm gonna go a little underneath my lower lash line, kind of connect that wing, fill it in, go about a third over. Can you see? Okay, now I take a small eyeliner brush. I'm going to smudge it before it sets. Just makes it a little softer. And if I have a bump, like I said, I can kind of blend it in with that eyeshadow that's on my lid. Cool thing about these eyeliners is you could take an eyeshadow after you line any color liner, any color eyeshadow, and press it on the liner to make a colored eyeliner. Thankfully, I have colored eyeliners already. I have emerald green, this beautiful purple, navy blue, black, brown. What do you think? I love it. And you could even go over with that eyeshadow that I used and press it on there, make it another pretty look. But I love that. I think it looks great. If anything, I could thicken this little wing area just to kind of even it out. It's a little dramatic, but definitely a fun, pretty eye look, I think, for fall, with it balanced out with a nice light gloss. I could wear all different types of lip colors. I could wear a coral lip color, nude lipstick. Now I'm gonna take the gold end. I'm just gonna kind of paint or put it in right in here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So people, you can put this on your whole lid. And then I take kind of a smudgy liner brush, smudge the edges so it doesn't look like a polka dot. And this is where I'm a little crepey, so I just want to be sensitive to my age. Okay, now, ooh, I can't forget tight lining. So I didn't tight line, but I tight line on this side. Can you see a difference? Tight lining just is where you put the eyeliner in the water areas, the water line above the lower lash, below the upper lash, and it kind of gives your eye more definition and just a cool look. So it's easy to do, but you will have watery eyes for a little bit until you get used to it. I'm still getting used to it. So you can just kind of either pull your lashes up, or I just kind of let it go under my lash line. And just kind of, since it's waterproof, it's super easy. It's very soft. This pencil is to get on that waterline. Get it in the lashes a little bit too if you need to. Nice. Now we're gonna go down here. You'll see it more down here. We have a neutral waterproof eyeliner pencil that's like a nude color that brightens the waterline area, which is nice if you want your eyes to look more bright and round. Okay, look at that. Isn't that cool? Last but not least, I will spray a setting spray, which I already put on one eye, but I'll go ahead and put it on the side. This is key for all day makeup. It cools your makeup down, it keeps the colors bright and bold, and it gives me another additional glow. You can use all the glow, right? Now I'm going to curl with my fancy eyelash curler that I can't live without because my lashes are blonde, but they stick straight out. They're long, they just stick straight out. So I have to curl. So pardon me while I curl. I curl at the base first. So I get my lashes in there and then I kind of tilt it up a little bit without squeezing tight yet. And then once I get that fitted into the socket of my eye, then I'm gonna pinch and squeeze for about 10 seconds. Can you see them already? And then I pinch and squeeze again in the middle of my lashes. Kind of tilt it up again. I do this a couple times because I'm a little extra with lashes. Let's see if you can see. And like I said, they're long, they just need a little help. I hope I'm pinching. I usually do my eyeshadow with, and eyelashes with my magnifying mirror because I'm older and have to wear readers now. So we'll see if I get these curled good. All right, mascara, I was sitting on it. You know why? It keeps it warm and it applies better. This is our Making Waves waterproof mascara. I can't live without this either because my eyes are leaky. I'm either emotional or they're just leaking from allergies or both, whatever. So happy, sad, tears, sweat, whatever. This is gonna keep it on all day. It keeps my lashes curled all day, which was a thing. I couldn't find a mascara that would help me, and this is helping me, so I'm grateful. So look at the wand. It has a flat side and an hourglass side. I don't know if you can see that. It's black and I love it. There we go, flat and hourglass. So I take the flat side and I kind of press it at the base of my lashes and then I pull up. And wiggle, and I twist the wand a little bit so I can use that hourglass side to separate. And I have a cuckoo clock. I don't know if you guys know that. I love clocks. I have Felix the cat and I have cuckoo clocks. In fact, there's Felix right there, one of them. I have a green one as well. I think they're fun. They're kind of creepy, some people. Okay, then I use the side that's the hourglass to kind of separate my lashes. Look at that already. One coat. Amazing, huh? And I go over the tops of my lashes using that hourglass side. It's amazing how my lashes are so blonde. They are so long, but they're so blonde, and I just really love it. I use the hourglass side and the tip of my wand to separate and to color the little baby lashes on the inside of my eye. Everyone has them. Okay. So what do you think? One coat? Wait till you see the bottom lashes. Oh my gosh. Don't pump your wand, twist. So let's use the hourglass side. Kind of go back and forth. I always get mascara on my skin, so I have a tip for that too. A dry Q-tip. Either right when you make a mess with your mascara, clean it up with a dry Q-tip, or you can wait. But look at the lashes on the bottom. They're so long and so invisible until I put this magic mascara on. Then I kind of go underneath, using the tips of the wand to separate again. And then I usually put another coat, well, whatever's left on my wand, I will go back up to the top ones and finish that out. And this is my fall eye look. I'm excited to share more. I'm learning as I go. I'm not a pro makeup artist, but I love to learn from pro makeup artists that I get to work with in my business. I'm so excited. They're amazing. They collaborate. They encourage. They're so great. I love this business for me. Empty nest mom, having fun. Okay, I got some mascara up here. dry Q-tip should do the trick. If I get any creasing or fallout, and if I have watery eyes, I clean up. So that's my fun fall, pre-fall eye look using orange and a shimmery purple that I love, and my waterproof plum eyeliner with the gold on the other end, and my waterproof mascara. And don't forget the setting spray. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. If you want any deets on the colors of my shadows or my products, write in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. Blessings and joy from my heart to yours. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share and like. Thanks, friends. Bye.